wake up and I'm out, so you'll talk to you now. Just wake up. Yo, just going on, guys. It's at 3:45 in the morning. It's at 3:45 in the morning, yeah. Alright, hold on.
Okay, cool. What morning? Yeah.
Morning, no one can ask you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Yeah, it's at 3:45 in the morning, guys. Yeah. And I'm so basically headed up to Lincoln Cabby, man. See what I'm on. Make sure you take time with it, you know. Now keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So this is it. This is the new car. I'm gassed, I'm gassed, I'm gassed. I've got the 160 Turismo one. I'm not too sure. I'll do the checkups properly, judging by the wheels. Turismo wheels do have a little different cut to them, so I'm not sure if this is the Turismo. I'm gonna do a full check, but it's got Turismo stuff in it. Bum's one of the most insane. Whether it's that spec or that spec, they're just brilliant. You've got to drive at a bath. If you're a car lover, you've got to drive one. Now, just looking at the beading effect, it looks pretty insane. For some, yeah, we'll put some more efforts into it. But I've got to say, I'm pleased with this. The steering wheel, the only bad side about a bath, it's got this thing, the seat thing, yeah, you can't really change the driving position. The steering wheel can only go up and down. So I can show you right now. So that if you pull down the steering lever, it can't come towards you. It can only go up or down. So it's annoying, but it's livable. A few little tricks people didn't know about the 595. You got TTC, torque transfer control. So that basically, it's like a limited slip diff. It's just basically something that sorry guys. So it's just basically something that was said. It uses the ESC, the braking, and sends the power to the rear wheel and whatnot into that opposite wheel, so it makes it more agile to turn in corners. When you're working your climate control with diesel baths, if you want to make it, if it's cold and you want to demist the windscreen wipers, what you do is you push and hold until that goes to a different color. You can see, you can hear it. That's a button. So I'll just show you right now what it looks like when I can find the key. Right, the key's in my pocket. Right, alright, cool. So that's just on. See that now it's gone yellow, just to let you know that it's on. Right, sorry, my camera's really bad. Now it's off. Bam. So that's that extra cooling function. So yeah, we need to get some petrol because we put some Shell V power. Bloody hell, that was working, boy. Right, so I'm gonna get to it, show you when it's done. Yeah. So Pops has come, so I empty the garages now. Everyone got shook. Everyone got shook because my dad come. Set up the light them there, got about a recovery light them there, everything. Volvo's going back in a bit. Going back, that's going back, that's going back. Obviously, we're doing our back thing on a recovery job still. A long time you ain't seen me in the Still got a little bit of space. Yeah, it's cool. Cool. Right, YouTube, 1 second while I quickly tighten up this one. We'll check right, eh? This is how you come to work. This is how you come to work. Seriously. Whoa, do you think this is gonna work? I honestly don't know what the fuck.
Well, honestly, I don't know, man. All I can say is good luck for me.
I don't know why it's like that. Like. I'm trying to think what's bent, if it's this or if it's this, if the pipe's bent up, if you get what I mean. It looks like the pipe's bent up slightly. Yeah, it looks like the pipe's bent up. That man's gonna have to get the weld gun and like heat it. No, they ain't gonna do that, the exhaust just snaps off. See what I'm trying to do, basically?
Yeah, something like that. Bend it up towards you.
Yeah. I don't want to wrap it up. Cuvva stick of truth.
I like those, though. Wait a minute. You know what I need to do? Look, Cuvva stick of truth. Those are just surrounds, the real exhaust is on the inside. Bit of fakery there.
That's just making it a little bit free, but it's not directly moving it. I think this is bent. Yeah. I think if I'm looking at it, looks like it's got a lazy exhaust. Auto gas replace. I can get a change, is it tight in the spring? Your job to tighten it, yeah?
It's not easy to take it out. I'm telling you. You know, his father is skinny Gonzalo. Sometimes curva.
No. No, it's not
Try this.
There you have.
Don't worry, I'm going.
You're going. Are you sure of it? Yeah. No, thanks for that. Tight? Yeah. Oh, thanks a lot. That's how I like it. Always, always. Would you like to release the jack, sir? Slowly but surely.
Release the.
Release the jack slowly but surely.
Oh, yeah. You do that, mate. So just push it the other way.
When you drop this car to the guy, tell him check suspension on the back.
Cool.
Push it forward,
Time
man.
everything, because you know what the fucking man don't time.
Should twist it, you're gonna twist it slowly.
It's easy. 2 hours, max.
the left.
Fucking all day.
12 o'clock. He said from this morning. Fucking hell, man. Man, them have to eat a local thing. You get it? You see it? You see it? Oh, the one thing I didn't penny me about the Volvo, when you change the, you can hear the exhaust flaps when I change it from individual to dynamic. Listen. See where I learn things today. Yo, Cho. So them big fan of the man go for it. Man take off that one there. Man take off that one there and go for that big one there. Show him say can take the pressure. See them big boost pipe there. See yo Cho, I have to teach her that thing, you know. Hold it.
Fire night right now.
Bonfire night right now. Man's coming. Man's basically come to go to the Empire meet. The last one I went to was 2 years ago. So that's why man's out filming content now today. New ride. I ain't really done the car review properly yet, so this is just a addition to the video. So this is part of the car review. This is the new ride that we're riding in. We're riding in the 595 Turismo. So yeah, look out for a lot more content on that one. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill this up. Put some V-power, get some pops and bangs, TTC. Boom, boom, boom. Know the thing, come on. Obviously. Literally, I'm just talking about, see the little mod man's done. That's my favourite mod so far. Favourite mod so far. This car is so modification. I don't even know the word. It's so customizable. So customizable. Right, gonna link up one more driver, do a little convoy, see what I want. Pay for this petty. But I love Show V-Power, you know. So I love them. Make sure you buy your shares, you know. I'm gonna put my trade in 212 link in there right now. So come, let's go. Let's go, bro. Wanna drink anything, bro?
No, I got you.
Sure?
Yeah, I got you.
Guys, this is what man's showing you, yeah? Man just come to the second location. Man just traveled like 20 miles, bro. Like, man just got 9 miles to get here. Feds, man's had to go back. Feds are on it today, so. Right about now, it's a mad thing, innit? It's a mad thing, cam, bro. But yeah, this is what I'm going right about now, so everyone's just moving literally about, just driving about, literally. literally. There's a couple fireworks beating off and that, and the Tesco rushed by the A406. That was the van there. Look, that one literally spun it. Literally, so this is what I got in it. It's annoying. It's annoying YouTube. It's not really going to fan. You get it. So let's see what's the next stop. So man's got the next location. Man's gonna cruise there. Man's not gonna abrupt man's neck because the location will probably change. But try to follow a couple of cars, get some clips on the GoPro. Pissed. I'd be pissed if I was in the lorry behind all of this, you know. I'd be pissed if I was in that. Feds, they got their lights just still. That's what they've been doing.